At short, Gama Evangelista has been a solid defender right there. And Joe Gomez de Leano knocks down the three.
Bilis ng transition, from defense to offense itong Marikina. And then, ako rin naninibago pa rin ako pag nakakita ko ng tumitira ng 3 points na mabilis. Kasi during the time na I was playing, medyo bawal yun eh.
Napapagalitan ka ba?
Oo.
Look at this, Harold Casajeros. Tinignan pa ni Joe Gomez de Leano na making sure na nakalabas siya sa linya. And that's a 4.
Dito sa fast break.
Castellano to Gomez de Leano. Oh, he's starting out hot here.
Last game, dalawa lang yung 3-pointer nila. Ngayon, they have 2 3-pointers on.
And a lovely floater from Joe Gomez de Leano.
At momentum para naman dito sa against Abra.
Gets the bounce on the second. Ganda ng composition ng Recto seems to be a very, very good pickup for them.
Yung potential ng team, I guess, wala pa halfway, wala pa.
Mayor, alam ko lagi kayo nagpupunta sa practices, sa mga games. Ano ang lagi niyong reminder sa boys, sa dugout?
Wala, gusto ko lang ipakita nila, ipakita nila yung
Rebound. Can Marikina respond? Joe. Ho, ho, ho! Marikina in the coattails of the Abra Weavers. Here's Casajeros. 3 in transition. And Joe Gomez de Leano knocks it down.
Fearless. It's a fearless shot.